Welcome to Chapter 12, Payroll Records, Part 4. The essential outcomes for Chapter 12. You will prepare payroll records by A. Identifying accounting concepts and practices related to payroll records. B. Completing a payroll time card. C. Calculating payroll taxes. D. Completing a payroll register and an employee earnings record. E. Preparing payroll checks. And F. Connecting key terms in the chapter with application. Welcome back to 12-4 Payroll Terminology. Payroll account. Small businesses usually use their regular checking account to pay their employees. However, larger businesses usually have a separate checking account to pay for the employee payroll. Why? A separate payroll account helps with internal control to prevent theft. When we have a separate payroll checking account, we will write a check from our regular business checking account and we will then deposit it into the payroll account. So, the larger businesses usually have two checking accounts, one for regular business transactions and one for the payment of just payroll. The amount that is transferred from the regular checking account to a payroll account is the total net pay for all employees. You are now looking at a check from a regular checking account to transfer the net pay for payroll into the special payroll checking account. First, you always prepare the check stub. On this check stub, we record the date, the net pay for the employees. The just two column will be payroll account followed by the payroll account number. What is it for? Payroll for December 1 through 15. The balance brought forward is the amount brought forward from check 311. Amount of this check will be the net pay of $4,609.46. Since we are writing a check, we need to subtract the amount of the check from the total to get our balance carried forward of $27,043.04. Then we prepare the check. We will write the date. Underneath the section paid in the order of, you will write payroll account followed by the account number. To the right of that, you will write the dollar amount numerically. On the next line, you will write out the amount of the check. Notice that after the 46/100, there is a line all the way up to the word dollars. This prevents anyone from writing additional information into that blank section. If you are authorized to sign checks, you would then record your name. If you are not authorized to sign a check, then you cannot do so. Now we need to write our payroll checks for each employee. We are looking at an example for payment of one employee, which is Rick Selby. The first step is to always fill out the check stub. If you look at the check stub, there are 4 boxes. One box is for the period ending. The second box is for total earnings. The deductions box is for total deductions. And the last box is for net pay. Then you will write out the employee's payroll check. Please never sign a check unless you are authorized to do so. It is now time to complete 12-4, work together. Open your accounting book to page 358. You will need work together page 313. If you need assistance, please let me know. When you finish 12-4, work together, please return to this PowerPoint. That's all, folks. Thanks for participating. Please go back to the class website, check out the chapter rubric to find out what application problems you should be completing for this chapter.